PaaS as a service or PaaS is a complete development and deployment environment hosted in the cloud, with built-in resources that enables delivery of everything from simple cloud-based apps to sophisticated cloud-enabled enterprise applications. In this service model, the cloud vendor provides the underlying infrastructure along with the needed software. Like IaaS, PaaS also includes the base infrastructure, like servers, storage, processors, networking, etc., as well as middleware, which includes development tools, business intelligence services, database management services and various other number of tools which support complete development from building, testing, deploying and updating the application. All these services are available on the pay-as-you-go model, in which the user has to pay only for the resources used. The key features of PaaS are: it provides a single integrated environment for all development needs. User mainly focus on development of the application instead of setting up environment and wasting time on installing and configuring application. Cloud service provider a larger set of responsibilities to maintain the security, provide updated operating systems and applications, manage proper backups and all. It provides a remote collaboration for the teams to interact and work together. The platform is not limited up to desktop devices only, it can be accessed via thin clients and mobile devices, which is not possible in the IaaS service model. Moving towards the demerits of PaaS. There are a number of security issues related to it as all the data is present over cloud and it has number of vulnerabilities and less control over the resources and data. Unlike IaaS, it is less flexible and scalable. Sometimes vendor lock-in and migration from one cloud to another becomes a serious problem when user is developing application as each cloud has a different set of built-in features. The local infrastructure is needed to be compatible with the PaaS platform, if you are integrating both. For example, user local machine need to have a same Python version as using in cloud while integrating both. The built-in tools and features are mostly provided by the third-party vendors. This make users much more dependent on those providers along with the cloud provider. With the limited control of user over the resources, it has limited product functionality. PaaS is quite popular and is mostly used for development purpose, link-in, API creation, development, and management. Used in business analytics and intelligence for finding out valuable insights. Business process management or BPM over the PaaS platform helps user to make predictions, decide product design, find investment-related insights, etc. For development of communication and database-related applications. Integration of IoT and programming them. Also, it provides platform for the IoT handling. It helps user in maintain data, mining it, and its management. In the next section we will see the next service model, that is software as a service. See you there.